Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is a different color. If you haven't seen my latest video, I need you to click on that. I'm gonna try to leave it in the description box as well as in the little icon going across the screen. But anyway, so I wanted to try something different. I've kind of been doing something new when I deep condition it. I've been putting oil on my scalp before I put my deep conditioner on, and I have a new little tool I wanted to try out. I just want to do like a mini review on it. It's like this little hair massager. I got it from Walmart for about $1. So you're supposed to put it in your scalp and it spread, like it goes apart, and then you just move it or whatever. It's pretty simple. So just wanted to record myself using it for the first time, giving my honest opinion on it. Still getting used to this new hair color. But I'm glad to be back to black. That is what I can say. So I'm going to be using Jamaica Black castor oil. I'm just going to apply it to my fingers. Ooh, oh, too much. I was trying to come out then. So I don't know if you can see it, but I'm just going to rub it on my hands and just apply it to my scalp. Just making sure it's everywhere. I can kind of tell when it's there because it kind of makes it doesn't feel as slippery. Like the slip isn't there. I'm just going to add just a tiny bit more. Just tiny bit, just this much. Just so I can make sure. So I'm not putting it on the strands of my hair or anything. Just going directly to my scalp. So, hold on. Okay. Ow! Sorry. New apartment, new environment. So, I'm going to start with the middle of my head. I'm just going to place it there and then just rub my scalp. This feels kind of weird. It kind of makes my scalp itch in the crown of my head, but it doesn't feel bad. I used it on my mom and she was just laughing. She was like it was tickling her, which I don't know how you ticklish on your scalp, but it's like, it reminds me like when your scalp is itching and you're trying to scratch it and you're just like rubbing that spot. Like that's the vibe that I'm getting. Otherwise not bad. I'm just a little nervous about my hair getting wrapped around it, but that would be my only qualm. So it just also, sorry, Kyle's been extremely loud. It's just a little hard to maneuver because I can't just drag it across my scalp. I have to pick it up, place it in a different spot. Just to make sure my entire scalp is getting done. I'm going to turn around so you can kind of see the back. Okay, so I think I'm done because my hair is starting to dry out. But I feel like it's it's okay. It's not easier than actually using my fingers or anything, but you know, if you want an outside object just to do this instead of just rubbing your scalp with your fingers, then this is a good alternative. And then the plus side is this was $1. So for $1, I think it's a little good investment for $1. But if you don't want to spend $1, like, then you wouldn't even really be missing out on anything. I feel like it did massage my scalp a little bit. Like if I was just watching TV and just playing with it, then I can kind of be like, I can see how it just like is soothing and everything. But yeah, let me know if you've tried this before. I've tried the shampoo brush. I really enjoy the shampoo brush. I do feel like, to me, it's a little bit hard to maneuver. I can't just drag it over my hair. But that's neither here or there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I give this probably a 6 out of 10. It's good for the price. If it was any more than $1, I'll probably return it. But that's just me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Leave any comments down below, any questions, any video suggestions. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.